We've gotten so much more out of it than we expected. We expected to have some great information. It's been far exceeded that. Great tips, things that you would traditionally, have to go to podcasts for, and tons of books and tons of money spent on doing research, and we were able to get it here. Those marketing strategies, the sales strategies, and how to convert, but not just how to do that, also how to focus in on the leads, but also it's a full approach to getting them in the door, treating them as if they were not just a patient and money making. It's also looking at the full approach, and so it's been really, really helpful. It's teaching us to get them in the door, how to retain them, and also how to generate more business. So we had gotten some awesome tips on working with our front patient coordinators, some things that they can implement to bring in more of the leads that call in, and how to convert them better, and things we could do to change, because we thought we had some great things going on, and we do, but some additional tips that are super helpful that we didn't think of.